Good morning. Today we are traveling to the Smithsonian's National Zoo, also known as the DC Zoo, as we like to call it, and you'll probably hear us saying today. So we're going to check out all that they have to offer. It is a free zoo. We did have to not really order tickets because we didn't pay for them, but you had to get tickets to kind of reserve a spot. So they're doing that with COVID. We have our masks. I think we have to wear them. We're going to drive to the metro station and then take the metro the rest of the way down. So masks on there and then masks inside any building. The train, yeah. The metro or the train, as we call it. If you're at the zoo, inside any building, you have to wear a mask right now, regardless of vaccine status. So we have our masks with us. Otherwise, we'll be outside most of the day. It's supposed to be nice weather there. So perfect time. And we are on our way to pick up Uncle Brian and his friend, because every adventure is better with family and friends. So what animals are you excited to see?
But don't forget the lion there. They taken it away.
Well, they didn't take the lions away. They think the lions have the bad germs. And some of the tigers. But I think they said that they're still out because we'll all be far enough away that it will be fine. But yeah, some lions and tigers are not feeling well right now. And I think I saw on the website the reptile house and the small mammal house are closed for HVAC issues today, so might not get to see them either.
But my favorite animal is a monkey and a panda. Because look like that.
You got your panda cup from last time. What about you, Dean? What animal do you want to see?
I like idols.
All right, well, there's going to be plenty of animals. We're going to have a ton of fun. Hang with us, come on the ride with us, and we'll see ya. Bye. We've made it onto the metro. We're going on a train ride. All right, guys, we made it. We are at the zoo. It's so cool. And let me turn you around. Even the lions are wearing masks. We getting ready to see some animals?
Yeah, but
What do you think the first one's gonna be?
I don't know. I don't know either.
I don't know either.
I think it can tell us on that sign.
Yep, we're about to get all checked in.
Cheetah.
You think it starts with the cheetah?
Yeah, because it says start how cheetah.
Awesome. All right, stick around. We're gonna see a bunch of animals. They don't know. In case you need any information on termites. See it sleeping up at the top there?
No, is that sloth there?
No, that's not the sloth.
Oh, that's the cat.
Oh yeah, it's hard to see on this.
Burma.
Said they were cubs. I wonder if they get any bigger.
There he is.
Look, you see?
Taking a little nap.
On the tree.
Oh, now the
Also, otter. Maybe it's time for him. Oh, look, he's trying to get a drink. He's going to take his rest.
Jump back in the carriage and we'll see somebody else.
that one looks
Look at their tails.
Yeah, big. Oh, Mommy.
Yeah, elephant. What's he doing?
He's my friend.
What's he doing?
I don't know. Anyway, he's getting bigger. He's washing him.
Oh, he's eating.
And washing. We definitely was hungry.
He was hungry.
He was really hungry.
You want to see this elephant? He's smaller, you think?
Dean, did you see the panda?
Can you see him?
Here, come here, Dean.
Yeah.
We'll get a turn to get up there. Does he look fluffy?
Look at that little baby.
Oh, there's the face. He needs to go on a diet.
Come here, baby. See him?
Aww.
Okay.
So cute. Are you excited?
I got one.
That's perfect for today, huh? Push the button. All right, Dean, that's enough.
All right, go. Oh, wait, no.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no.
I'm working my way fast.
What do you know? You just read like hysteria.
That's like this thing.
Yeah, you see those? Seal. You like the seals?
Maybe they were rescued from
What do you think, Dean? Pretty cool, huh?
What is that?
Well, it's just like something for them to play on.
But one is one under.
Come on. We'll go see some more.
See you.
Right there. His little fin is up.
Can you see it, Dean?
Where's the other?
Oh, look. Here comes another one.
Where's the other one?
And look, there's pelicans right there. I think those are pelicans.
Oh, roosters.
It's a good day to go for a swim.
That's for sure.
It's okay, Daddy. Another one
Can attract that sound, huh? You're almost there, bud. You hear them?
the species.
There she is.
Yella next. Yep, they go in the holes.
And then they come up right here. Which one is he going to come up?
Can you see?
Because I don't know which one he's going.
I don't know. You kind of just have to watch,
Maybe
huh?
that one. Oh, there's another one. They really did that big.
Look at the giant bees.
These are our friends.
And they let me stay in this cozy hotel. Because me and me. This is how
So fun.
Now we don't have.
It's very cool.
It is Nemo, huh?
Look at the big one.
That is big, huh?
Yeah. There is all the itches in it. And this just one.
Just one.
This one is your 1A.
We're taking a sitting break.
Here we are, doo-doo-doo.
It's a lot of walking, huh?
Mm-hmm. It is. I know it is.
A lot of walking. Thankfully, they have stations to refill your water bottles and plenty of benches to sit.
Doo-doo.
Yeah, little break.
You're it on them and not end up on them. You're this in on them.
Just sit on them, that's right.